Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and healthy quinoa with veggies dish. This recipe is incredibly versatile and perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a nutritious side. Quinoa is a fantastic grain, packed with protein and fiber, making it a superfood. We'll walk through each step, from perfectly cooking the quinoa to sautéing fresh, colorful vegetables, ensuring a flavorful and satisfying meal in about 30 minutes. Achieving perfectly fluffy quinoa is key to this dish. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water for about 30 seconds to remove any bitterness. Then, combine it with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. Once cooked, remove it from the heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes before fluffing. Now for the vibrant veggies. Choose your favorites such as bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, or spinach. Chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender crisp. We want them cooked through but still with a slight crunch. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Use a fork to gently fluff your perfectly cooked quinoa, separating the grains. Then, add the sautéed vegetables directly into the quinoa. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like parsley or cilantro. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Serve this delicious and nutritious quinoa with veggies warm, either as a satisfying main course or a healthy side dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.